winter weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Portage, and Summit. Lake effect snow warning in effect from 7 a.m. Friday to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. What? Heavy lake effect snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 6 and 10 inches. Where? Cuyahoga, Portage, and Summit counties. When? From 7 a.m. Friday to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Impacts: roads, and especially bridges and overpasses, will likely become slick and hazardous. Travel could be difficult. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the Friday morning and evening commutes. Additional details: periods of light snow will continue this evening and overnight. Heavier lake effect snow will return Friday morning and persist into the weekend with snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour possible. Wind chills will fall into the single digits Friday night into Sunday morning. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The Ohio Department of Transportation and Ohio Turnpike and Infrastructure Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.ohgo.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions. During lake effect snow, the weather can vary from bands of locally heavy snow to dry weather just a few miles away. Visibilities can also vary greatly. Be prepared for rapid changes in weather, visibility, and road conditions.